Welcome back. In the previous lesson, we have studied about arithmetic operators and how they work. And I've even showed you the program of how to perform all the arithmetic operations using C++. Today, we're learning about assignment operators. What is assignment operators and how do we use it in a program in C++? Everything I'm going to tell you from the very basic. Now, assignment operators generally we use to assign something to the variables. For example, if I write here a equal to 1. So that means imagine this a is a variable and I'm assigning a value to it, which is 1 over here. I can write maybe something else, let's say b equal to 3. So this is a variable where I'm assigning the value 3. So that means this 3 is going inside this b. So by this, you can understand that this equal to sign is a type of an assignment operator. So we are assigning something to a variable. Similarly, we have different kinds of assignment operator in C++. So let me write all the assignment operators so that you can get the idea about it. The first one you have already seen it, which is the equal to sign, by which we can assign something like, for example, a variable to a value. Then we have the additional assignment operator. Now, what is this? This is something new. If I write like this, for example, if int x equal to 10, and the next line I'm writing here is that x plus equal to 5. So what does it mean? That this thing I can write as x equal to x plus 5. So this thing I'm writing in a much more shorter manner, or generally it is writing this way in a C++ program. That means whatever x has, I will equate it to the x plus 5. That means our x had 10, here 10 will come 10 plus 5. Now this will become 15 and 15 will replace the value of what it was. So now x has 15. So before x was 10, we have made it to 15. So that is the logic. Similarly, we could use the same thing for subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponent. Now there are others also, like for example, we have a not equal to sign, which is like this. Like for example, if I have to compare, like let's say if I write 5 not equal to 6, this statement, if I use the boolean, this will come as true because 5 is not equal to 6. If I write 5 is equal to 5 and this I do with boolean, this will also be true because yes, 5 is equal to 5. If I do 5 is not equal to 5, then this statement will become false. So not equal to, how do we write is, you just have to give an exclamation mark in the equal to sign. Some people get confused that they write the equal to sign then give exclamation marks. So this is wrong. Be very careful with that. You have to write this particular one. So let's understand all these assignment operators using a program so that we can get the clear idea about how to use it in a C++ code. So as you can see, I have written down the program in C++ using one particular variable where I have given a value to it and I'm printing it after every operations I have done. As you can see that here int a is 10. Then I did is a plus equal to 10. I have already told you what will be the answer. So that means a plus equal to 10. That means it means a equal to a plus 10. So what it will become? It will become 20 because a was 10 before. So now it will be 20. Now if you see here in the next line, a minus equal to 10. Now many of you may get confused that a is 10 and I have subtracted 10 from it. But actually we have to forget now this because a has changed to 20 in the previous line. And variables are something, it always replaces the previous value. So that means now a was 20. So that means what we will do is a equal to a minus 10. That means it will become 10 again because 20 minus 10 is 10. Now we have the multiplication sign. This time a is 10 because in the previous line it had become 10. So a will be equal to a multiplied by 10. That means it should become as 100. Then we have a divide equal to 10. That means a will be equal to a divided by 10. That is 100 divided by 10, which means it will become 10 again. So we have got all the values, that is, it will print 10 here, then 20, then 10, 100, 10, lastly. So it will print 10, 20, 10, 100, 10. So if I run the code, you will see this is the answer, same as this. So that is how you can use all the assignment operators. It's very simple to understand. Just you have to remember where you have to put the operator that will be coming before the equal to sign for each cases. If you have any doubts, do put down in the comment section.